Welcome everyone, and today in this video we are going to learn how we can design our custom header and footer with the free version of Elementor. So normally with the free version of Elementor you can easily design your home page, your blog page or any other custom page, but if you want to design your custom header or footer you need to upgrade to the pro version. But for this video we are going to use a third-party plugin which will allow us to do this for free, plus it also offers some extra features and widgets as well. So before actually creating our header and footer with the help of that plugin, first I want to import a template to fill our home page. So I will go to the pages and edit our home page with Elementor. And I will quickly import one of the template from my library, insert it, yes, update. Let's refresh the home page. Now let's install that plugin to create our header and footer. So I will go back to my dashboard again. Go to the plugins, add new plugin. Now I will search here for header and footer. So that is the plugin header, footer and blog templates. So let's install this. Now activate this. Now we can access this plugin page by going to the appearance menu and here header, footer and blocks. Now click on add new. Let's call it my header and let's select the type of the template as header. Now there are some extra feature of this plugin. So we can add the display rule, which means we can decide if we want to display this template on our entire website or only for the singular pages. And it also allows us to add exclusion rule. That means if we want it for our entire website but exclude it from search page. It also allows us to add user rule to decide if we want to limit this template only for certain user or if we want to display it for all users. But I'm not going to use it for this one. I want to display it on my entire website, so let's just publish it. Now edit with Elementor and start designing our header. Now let's add some sections and make it a full width. Let's go back to the widgets. Now this plugin also come up with some extra widgets which will help us in designing our header and footer. They are under the section header, footer and blocks and labeled as HFB. So I will use the site logo widget from here and drag it in here. So by default this widget is supposed to show a logo which is set by our theme, but I haven't done anything like that so far. So let's just do that first. So I will go to the dashboard, appearance, customize. Now header, and under site identity you will find the option to select logo. So I will select any one of them. Let's select this one. Let's just skip the cropping and publish it. Now go back to the Elementor page and let's just refresh the page. Okay, so our logo is here. Now we also have an option to replace this logo later on with some custom image from here, but I just want to go with a logo from my theme. Let's make it a little bit smaller So I will use custom image sizing and let's try 100. I think 80 will be better. Okay, that's fine. Let's go back to the widgets again and drag heading over here. I will add some email info here. I just want to style it a little bit. Black color will be fine. And let's add some good font. And I also want to resize it. Let's also add a margin at its top. That's fine. And I also want to align it to the right. Let's go to the content and align right. Okay, that's fine. Now let's add one more section for our navigation menu. And this plugin also have a widget for a navigation. So let's find it. I think this is the one. So let's drag it here. Now nothing is appearing here because I haven't set any menu for this theme. So we have to go back to the dashboard. And let's go to the appearance and menus. And here I will create a main menu and create menu. Let's select all the pages and add to the menu and save menu again. Now let's go back to the Elementor editor, update it and refresh the page. Okay, so it's working now. So let's also style it. So let's just first set the background color. Let's also change the font colors. Also font type to Poppins. And I think it will look better if the menu will be aligned to center. So let's just centrally align this. Let's just update it and see how our navigation looks on our homepage. So our custom header have replaced the old header that come with the default theme, and we can do the same for our footer as well. So let's just do that quickly. Go back to the dashboard, appearance, and header, footer, and blocks. Here I will again click on add new, add the title as custom footer, and also select the template type as footer. And I also want to display it on our entire website. So let's just publish it. Now edit with Elementor. So this time I'm just going to import a template for footer from the library. So I will insert it and update. Let's go back to the home page and refresh. Okay, so our custom footer have replaced the default footer. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe. See you in the next one.